Welcome to Labii, and thank you for starting your trial with us. In this video series, we'll walk you through the Record Detail View. The Record Detail View displays comprehensive information about a specific record. Depending on your research needs, it includes multiple subviews designed to present different types of data in a structured and meaningful way. At the top of the side menu in the Record Detail View, you'll find key details about the current record, organized from top to bottom. Breadcrumbs show the project and application associated with the record. Record name and description provide a clear identifier and summary. Record details, a list of selected columns displaying key information. You can customize which columns appear here. View Selector, a drop-down menu to switch between different data views. Actions menu offers additional functions such as sign, print, share, and archive. The second part of the side menu changes dynamically based on the selected view. In the Table of Contents view, it displays the different sections of the record for easy navigation. In the Flowchart view, it shows the flowchart directly within the side menu. In the Steps view, it lists each step in sequence, allowing you to track progress or workflow. In other views, it provides quick access to columns, sections, audit logs, and additional related information. The main body of the Record Detail View typically displays the contents of a selected section. The layout and functionality will vary depending on the widget used for that section. For detailed information on how each widget works, please refer to the corresponding widget documentation. That's it for this part of your Labii tutorial. We hope this helped you feel more confident navigating the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your administrator or contact our support team. We're here to help. Ready for the next step? Click on the next video in this playlist to continue exploring Labii. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Labii.